Hi guys, welcome to my third video tutorial on XHTML and CSS. And we will proceed now on this video to learn more stuff how to put in the web page that we have created. I advise you to save always the code that we previously created in the previous video, so we can progress and put more things into our web page, okay? Instead of doing all from scratch, so we have this code here, which is our very basic web page with this content here and this title here. And this content, let's take this out and I'm gonna show you how to create different headers and different sizes. So to do header, we need to use the tag h1 tag, and h means header and 1 is the size of header. So let's type between the tags h1 something, my first header. Let's save and run this. I'm gonna run it from here, and there it is. Now this is size h1. I can change this for two other size. Let's type h2 and close h2. Between h2 tags, let's write my second header, and here we can type as well h3, my third header. Close h3, save this, go back to the browser, refresh. You can see we have three different sizes for headers. You have h1, h2 and h3. We can still have h4, h5 and h6 if you want to, okay? I hope you got the point how we can use this h1, h2 and h3 tags to put title. Let's proceed, and I'm gonna show you a very useful tag that you're gonna use pretty much 80% of time. You're gonna use it a lot in your web page, which is the paragraph. What the paragraph does is basically, let's type a sentence. My first web page is done. Let's see if we type something below now, and I like it. So let's see how this represents in our web page. So you see, even if I didn't code, I write this below. My first web page is done. In the web page, it doesn't show as I put in the code. It still goes in the same line. So to change this to the next line, we should put here a paragraph. So, and I like it is going to be a paragraph automatically. The paragraph goes to the next line, as you can see, but we have this space here. I don't want this space, so what we can do is use the line break, okay? And the line break is very useful tag that you will use a lot, so you can bring automatically the sentence to the next line in your web page. The break line tag doesn't have the open and the closing tag. It is a unique tag. As you see here, we have a little space here and a slash, which normally goes before the name of tag, goes after the tag. It is a unique tag. Unique tags don't have open and closing. You don't need two tags, just one. So let's see this works. Refresh. You see the space is not here anymore, and the sentence went to the next line. Let's see if I type more, put another break line, and there type I like this a lot. Save, refresh, and there it is. Perfectly done and represented in the web page as I want it to. So you can play more with code. You can try line breaks and paragraphs and headers. If you have question, post and comment section below. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye.